Hello, in front of me I've got Assassin's Creed Shadows. In this video I'll show you how to fix no sound problem. In order to fix no sound problem, firstly go to sound settings of your PC. Now, and make sure that each device that you are not using is disabled. Once it's done, go to Device Manager, find your headset or speakers, and update the driver. Next, if you've got headset with the dedicated application, you can enter it. Go to Engine in my case and check if there's any update available. Once it's done, make sure to go to back settings and select. Once everything is done, reset your PC, go to the game, go to Settings, Options, Audio, and make sure that volume is set. This should fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.